How to pay DCU credit card bill. To pay your DCU credit card bill, follow these steps. Log in to your DCU online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Credit Cards section. Locate your DCU credit card account and select it. Look for the option to make a payment on your credit card balance. Choose the payment method you prefer, such as transferring funds from a DCU account or using an external bank account. Enter the payment amount you wish to make. Select the date you want to make the payment to be processed. Review the payment details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the payment by clicking on the appropriate button. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.